Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make your music sound muffled in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have imported my music to CapCut, and the first thing we have to do is clicking on the music right here. Then just click on the music again until this option appear on your screen. Then you're going to click on voice effect, and on this voice effect you can click on retro category right here. Then there will be some options for you to make your audio sound muffled, and I'm just going to play it one by one. So this is the megaphone effect. Okay, and I'm going to play the lo-fi effect. This is the lo-fi, and the last one is final. Okay, and I think the final or lo-fi is better. So for me, I'm just going to select lo-fi, this one. Okay, and after we're done, we just need to click on this check mark button. Okay, and now the music has been sound muffled. Alright guys, and that's how we can make music sound muffled in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.